I tried trading the account on Monday, and that same Monday I closed the first trade that I entered on that Monday. So I'm going to show what really happened before that Monday and what made me make that decision to go into that trade on Monday. This was prior to Monday. This was Thursday analysis. I was looking at price making some kind of a pullback after making a massive push on the 4-hour time frame. So I saw price moving from this point here, from this demand level up to this level, where this level here was taken out, and also this level here was also taken out. So after this push, I knew price is going to pull back to either any of this my level, and sometimes it doesn't happen. It's not 100% sure, but these are the things that I look out from the market. The fib level of the 4-hour, which was this level here, and also the demand level from this 4-hour time frame as well. So I had these two confluences on ground, and I'm waiting patiently. I was waiting patiently for price to pull back into any of these before I know what to do next. So after a few hours, price pushed back into the golden zone and closed away from it. So at this point, I decided, okay, this is what the market really want to do. I think the market is about to push up again. Then I should be looking for a buying opportunity from my 1-hour time frame. This happened on Friday, so I didn't even have it in mind to trade on that Friday night. I was just waiting for Monday morning, and I know what to do. This was Monday morning. When I woke up on Monday, I noticed that price created a change of character. So price pushed deep into the first POI, then tested the second POI. So I entered the trade immediately. I saw that close above the two POIs. That was how I took my first trade on Monday, and I was expecting price to take out this level here to cause a break of structure to the upside. The mind I was looking at this level here, there was a level here on the 4-hour. So this was the outcome of the trade. I was looking at this level here. This level here was gotten from the H4 time frame. I saw price getting to that level. Immediately I started seeing rejection on that level. That was when I closed that trade. That point might be a potential place of price dropping. And look at what the market did. Market dropped from that point. Though I was able to get $48.17 for that from that trade. So that was what really happened. And look at what the market did. I was expecting price to drop from this point, and no level you can hold price forever. So that was why I was also aiming that, okay, if price can close above this level, his high tendency is going to get to the next supply level up there. So I was waiting patiently for price to drop from this point. I was looking at these to happen this way, change of character, then price pull back into any of the two POIs, respect it, then start dropping. But that didn't happen the way I was really expecting it. Price just continued dropping on that Tuesday, continued dropping on Tuesday till it gets to this demand level here. So at this demand level, I was expecting price to either respect this demand level by closing above it, or breaks it and go into the key level from the daily time frame. So these are the two ideas that I had on me on Tuesday. Then this morning when I woke up, I saw that price really go deep into that demand level and tested the daily time frame key level. That is where we have the price right now. Price is respecting the daily key level. If I go down to the 4-hour, I can see clearly that I had a 4-hour candlestick moving above this level. So this is clearly an indication that this high tendency market is going to push price up from this point here. I'll go down to my 1-hour to look for a price movement. We had a push here, so the retracement is starting up already. So I want to see where that retracement is going to get me to. So I will using this low. I will using this low here and this high here to pull out my fib level. And that is the only thing that I can see right now, because there's no any change of character yet. So there's no any high being created for price to take out yet. I just have to wait for the trade to develop. So I'm waiting patiently for price to get to this level here. Then I will know what to do. Price is rejecting the 50.61.8 level of Fibonacci right now, as you can see. So I'm going in on this trade now. I'm going in on a buy. So that was the buy there. I'll be holding the trade till it gets to this level here. Though I'm not really expecting price to get to this level before I add any position to it, because this is just a push of Fibonacci 2. So I'm really expecting this high here to be taken out to create the continuation of that, of the confirmation of this bullish movement. So I'm expecting price to create change of character here. So I'm hoping price will get to this point here, then close above it. That is when I'm going to confirm that level that movement to actually start it from that point. But let's see what this is going to result in the next few hours. Now, this is the current update on this trade that I just entered a few hours ago. So what is really happening is this. I've already put this trade on break even. Let me show that. As you can see, I've put the trade on break even, and I have my concrete reason why I put it on break even. So what I failed to do in this trade was that I don't usually enter the trade this way. So the very first thing I should have waited for is to see a change of character. Then from there, I should be able to convince myself that price really want to go up from this point. Okay, what if this golden zone here did not work? Price just made this push just to form something like this: push, pull back, then continuation. What if this is going to be the case? You get, so that is why I put this trade on break even right now. So, but if this is going to go in my direction, I should see change of character any moment from now. If price can close above this point now, that means this entry here is still okay for me. I'll just hold on to it to see the change of character. Then I will look out for opportunity to go into the trade again. And if I'm still on break even, it's fine because my TP is very, very close. I'm even looking at closing this trade right now because of price breaking this level is going to pull back. So let me close that trade right now. Let me close it. Today is Thursday, and this is the current situation on GPUSD. Yesterday, I was expecting price to break this level here. The trade I entered yesterday was a very risky trade though. So immediately I saw that price moved in my favor, I closed the trade immediately because I haven't seen a change of character with respect to this key level from the daily time frame. So if there's a change of character from this area now, probably price close in this manner. The way it pulled back like this, we had a close above this eye here that was created. That means there's a change of character. That means this high tendency price will move up from there. But I did not see that happening, and I jumped in after price pulled into this 50.61.8 level of Fibonacci retracement 2, which was very, very wrong. I have to see a change of character first before I know what to do. Then I will now pull out a fib level or an order block from the origin of that push that break the structure. So that was a very good decision that I made yesterday to close that trade, and look at what the market did. Price just dropped from that point. So waking up this morning, I saw that price closed below that key level. This is a break of structure here. The after price pull back into this level here, close below it. That was when I joined the trade. This push here caused this break of structure here on this 4 hour. Then for me to start looking for selling opportunity, I should have waited for price to create that pullback. You understand? Create the pullback from this high here down to this low here. This should have been what I'm looking out for. So after the pullback here, and then price respecting this point here might be a potential point of drop for the markets, for the price again. But right now, I'm in on the trade already. But whenever I can tell, that can still play out. But this should have been what I should put in place instead of me looking at the break of structure here without looking at the overall picture from the H4. But nevertheless, I'm still in that trade. But the only thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to increase my stop to around 50 to 50 something pips, just to cover for in case price really want to push back into this golden zone here, then start dropping from that point. So that's why I'm doing that. That is, I'm risking beyond my 2.5% right now, which is not that good for me, but it is what it is. I just have to do that just to save this trade in case price really want to push. Then I start looking for how to join that movement again downward. But I won't even join any movement. We'll just watch how the market drops from that point, probably into my TP level. This is what I need to pass this challenge. Just price hitting this level here is what I need to pass this challenge. But I have to just increase my risk here to just save this trade from this mess here. So the only thing that I'm really concerned about now is how price really want to react to this golden zone here in the next 4 hours. and probably price coming into this supply level as well. If price can close or push above this golden zone, there's high chance I will stop out on negative on this trade. So I already written the trade off. If it goes my way, fine. If it doesn't, I'm okay with the outcome. But the major thing is that price respecting this golden zone or this supply level in conjunction with this daily key level to drop from that point is what I'm really concerned about right now. So going to the 4-hour to see how price really want to react to this level is a priority. So I'm finally out of this trade now. So I've lost all the profit that I made on Tuesday and on Monday. We can see. Then with additional, I think about less than $20 as well. So I think about $18 to $17 as well. So that was a very, very, very huge loss for me today. And this could have been avoided if at all I look at the whole picture from the 4-hour instead of me just looking at the 1 hour. So what I'm really looking at right now is this. Going back to my 4-hour time frame, since we had a break of structure here, price pulling back into this area should have been my main priority. And that is what I'll be doing right now. So price is currently in that level. I'll be waiting for price to close away from that level. Then I will know what to do. Let me take off this. Then I will know what to do from that point. So I'm waiting patiently for a bearish candlestick to form away from this level. And I'll be looking for the change of character on the 1 hour. Then how to join that movement on the 1 hour as well.